Want to install Cursor AI code editor on Ubuntu or Linux in 2025? This guide shows the easiest and newest method. No coding skills required, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Cursor website, cursor.sh. Click the Download for Linux button. It will download a file that ends in .app image. Once it finishes downloading, open your terminal. In the terminal, type this. This moves you into your Downloads folder. Now you need to make the files executable. Type this command and press Enter. To run Cursor, type this. If you want to open Cursor from your app menu, move it to the System folder by typing this. Then create a shortcut file using this command. Then paste this inside the file. Press Ctrl+O to save, and then Ctrl+X to exit. That's it. You've installed Cursor AI code editor on Linux using the app image method, the easy and updated way. Now you can write code with AI right from your desktop. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.